Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Turn on that notification bell. We're jumping in to the video. I'm going to be showing you guys how to remove color from your 613 hair. These are the products that you're going to need. And this video is going to be very repetitive. So I'm starting putting hot water in my bowl. I'm going to add baking soda. I'm going to add my Dawn dish detergent. And I'm going to add my shampoo. I'm going to take my mixer and I'm going to mix it up. Now you're supposed to let your wig sit 10 minutes in between each wash to remove the color, but mine's had way too much color for my liking, so I did take it out after I finished dipping it a couple of times. I saw how much color was in it and I removed it. I squozed the water out and I did the same thing over and over again. And I'm not sure if you guys saw the color of the water, but it was pretty dark. And I'm going to keep showing you guys the color of the water so you can see as it's getting lighter and lighter, and so is the wig. So now that I'm on the third wash, I did allow it to sit for 10 minutes and so on after. Now pay attention to the color of the water opposed to the first rinse. And you can use clarifying shampoo also, but this one works for me. You can use any shampoo, but I've heard that clarifying shampoo works best. And if you guys get confused somewhere in there, you can comment below and I'll answer those questions, no problem. And I don't know if you guys noticed, the darker the color, the more times you're going to have to dip it. The lighter the color, the less times you'll have to dip it. The yellow's out, but the blue is still kind of in it. And again, as you can see here, I'm not using much product. You don't have to use much. It's blonde, the yellow's out, but it still has a little blue in it, so I'm gonna do a few more washes to it. Still has a little blue, so I'll try to get that out. Everything else is good, so maybe one more wash will do it, and I'm gonna let it sit for like 20 minutes. Maybe one more. I let that sit for another 20 minutes, and the blue is out. I'm gonna blow dry it, and I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like after it's finished. No flat iron, anything, just blow dry it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for watching.